All right, this is a 2024 Honda Pilot. It's the 4th generation, which the model year began in 2023. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the air filter maintenance notification that may be popping up and you're getting annoyed about. So if you change the air filter by yourself, doing that alone will not reset this message. You need to come in to the digital home screen here and reset it from there. So if you're not already on the home screen, go ahead and hit this button, the home button on the upper left. And then we're gonna scroll to the right here once. Click on Vehicle Settings. Gonna go to the right here once more and click on Maintenance Info. And I have a few items here, but you wanna click on Select Reset Items and scroll down to Air Filters. Would you like to reset maintenance information, air filters? All you need to do is press that reset button. I'm not going to do that right now because I have not changed them, but that is all you need to do to reset that air filter maintenance notification. All right, thanks for watching.